You want 6 ways to get car count in 6 days or less? Well, on this video, I'm not going to show it to you. I'm going to give it to you. Well, that's only if you're prepared to stick around for a couple of minutes and, well, if you can click a mouse. Are you in? Buckle up, because we're going to get started. Hey, it's Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. If you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So I started this video asking you if you wanted 6 ways to get car count in 6 days or less. And I said I wasn't going to show it to you. I'm going to give it to you. Here's what I've got. For a limited time and a limited number of shop owners who respond right away, I'm prepared to give you 100% free access to the GoMo two-way text messaging system. That means you'll be able to communicate with your customers by text message, which, by the way, is the preferred way of communications today, and do it all from the shop computer right on your desk. You'd be able to text them things like thank yous for doing business with you. What about service reminders that their cars due for service? Then there's always appointment reminders because, let's face it, customers lead busy lives and they don't always keep their appointments. What about special offers that you're running? What about seasonal offers? And then there's always the oil change reminder. You know those 19 words. Your car's due for its oil change. We're busy, but give me a call and we'll book you in when it's best for you. And on top of that, getting customer reviews. What if you could virtually guarantee customers are going to leave you good reviews? And if that's not enough, what about simple things like your car's ready for pickup, or, hey, where did you leave the wheel locks? Because we got the car on the hoist and we can't get the wheels off. If any of this sounds familiar and you're an auto repair shop owner somewhere in Canada or the United States, I'm prepared to give you 100% free access to the ultimate GoMo two-way text messaging system. All you have to do is go to the link down below this video and just leave me some details. If you're watching this video and saying, why should I be using text message for my auto repair shop? Well, consider this. 98% of smartphone users use text on a regular basis. 85% of customers prefer to receive a text message over a voice call or email. And heck, 29% of consumers say they don't even listen to voicemails at all. They just call you back as if you were a distraction when you called, and then you've got to repeat it all again anyways. 88% of customers said that text was the number one thing they use their phones for. 70% of consumers want to use mobile messaging to troubleshoot issues. If that's not enough, 66% of your customers said that they would pay more when your service is supported by mobile messaging. So all you have to do right now is go to the links below this video and shoot me a message. Fill out the details and we will give you 100% unlimited access to the GoMo two-way text message system. You'll get a login and password. All you have to do is watch a short video that'll walk you through all the steps to get started. And all of this is backed by 100% email, text, or phone support. There's nothing to lose. And I'd throw in a money-back guarantee, but I think I told you already. It's totally free. No tricks, no gimmicks, no kidding. So go ahead right now in the links down below. Click the link to get started with GoMo for free. It's totally unlimited access and no credit card required. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.